Day is celebrated on October 15 in honor of the former President and Missile Man of India, Sir Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Here, our Science Club members and Amrita Ashram Club members are going to present a tribute to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Sir, along with small presentation about Space Mission Chandrayan 3, which is the third mission in the Chandrayan program, a series of lunar exploration missions developed by ISRO.
This day, which was observed on October 15th, is a tribute to the significant contributions to the fields of aerospace engineering and space research. Dr. Kalam's association with ISRO began in the early 1980s when he took charge of the SLV-3 project, India's first satellite launch vehicle.
The Amrita Ashram Club is dedicated to nurturing students in space science and astrophysics. It invites distinguished national and international scientists and experts to give lectures and share their insights. It offers online meetings through Google Meet and Zoom, where students can join into a discussion and conduct seminars.
The Astro Club held its first online event from April 17 to April 19, 2023 at Amrita Vidyalaya in Bangalore. It was a sounding success, blending education, entertainment and exploration seamless.
This mission, comprising a lander and a normal configuration, embarked on its journey from Sriperikota on July 14, 2023, propelled by the powerful LV-3 rocket. The propulsion module transported the lander and the rover to the lunar orbit, allowing them to closely approach and study the moon. Now let us turn our attention to rockets. Do you know the principle behind a rocket launch? Here we have laid an 8 to 9 feet model of rocket to demonstrate the various stages of its dismantling.
So let's see what will happen to this balloon when we release it. We have attached it to the straw. Now let's watch right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yes, please give a big round of applause. So what happened? So what happened here? The balloon went upwards, right? Okay, let's try it one moment. Okay. So let's try. Okay, they have another balloon. This is because the air moved out of the balloon with great force. This is called action force. This is the balloon and the straw in the forward direction. This is called reaction force. The balloon moving forward is called reaction force. The air movement of the balloon is called action force. Action force. And the balloon moving upwards is called done. Okay.
In order to lighten the weight of the rocket and achieve orbital velocity, most launchers discard a portion of the vehicle in a process called staging. This is known as, and there are two types of staging: serial staging and parallel staging. The main parts of the rocket are called the side strap-on boosters are called S200. The middle portion it is known as L110. The black portion is known as C25 cryogenic engine, and the head portion is called PLS. So in the case of Chandrayan 3 was located inside the PLS. So staging requires many processes. So let's move on to the staging.
After the ignition of this part known as L110, both these self-propellers get separated from it. Now I invite Abhinav and Gautam to show a demonstration of it. After the ignition of both this part gets separated after 140 seconds, providing an inertial velocity of 2.5 seconds.
After the ignition of C25, this L110 separated for the demonstration and according to it. Now the
zero got separated and C25 moves along with the satellite.
And this black ocean is known as C25, and this is the satellite which got separated. Right, Aditya will show the separation of the satellite. This is how the satellite separated at an altitude of 179 kilometers, and the top satellite will move around its orbit.
If you see this S200, the both sides are around orbiters, they would be getting separated.
Orbited the Earth for 22 days. Chandrayan 3 entered the orbit on August 5, making India the fourth nation to soft land on the moon and first nation to land on the south pole. On August 14, the mission is in the orbital circulation phase.
On August 23rd, Chandrayan 3 successfully soft landed on the moon at 6 p.m. in 4 different stages. Now, let's have a quick look into the video.
These endeavors relate the curiosity, innovation, and the unyielding pursuit of knowledge, stand as a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration that defines the human experience. With the stars above as our guiding light, we eagerly await the next chapter in our journey of discovery. Thank you, Om Namah Shivaya. Which was the first country to land on the South Pole?
Okay, let's give chance to the girls now. One person from boys too. Next to the girls, next to the girls. I know there are many brilliant tiny shots here, but we can give just only one person, right? Okay, what's your name? So, you know which was the first country to land at the South Pole? Okay, it was India. Please, you want to make one of the country? Okay, so make the ladder of Chandrayan.
Vikram.
Okay, Vikram, please give him a big round of applause. So the last question, who is the ISRO present ISRO chairman? So your name? Your class? Okay. So who is the present ISRO chairman? So your Pradeep Sharma for providing us such an opportunity and guiding us as well. Thank you for this opportunity. Om Namah Shivaya.